I'm really looking forward to it. I've been nominated for a student award and I've brought the whole family with me, and I couldn't have done it without the support of my lecturers.
Excited? Well, who wouldn't be? Been nominated for an award. Work paid off, definitely.
I got an award for childcare level 3. I've loved it, the work experience and the course itself. It's definitely worth it for where I am now and where I'm going to go.
Shocked, totally shocked.
Oh, I really enjoyed my time in the college. Something you never think of, to think you're going to be coming back and presenting an award, but yeah, just honoured really.
Flew Roberts.
I was shocked to even be nominated, so yeah. Hard work at college has been acknowledged. Great 2 years really. I've learned various new things within the agriculture industries, and it's put me in good stead to start university. And yeah, it's a great pleasure to be here tonight with like-minded students.